This is Josh with MarineMax in New York. Today we're looking at our 2016 400 Fly by Sea Ray. This boat has twin Cummins 6.7 480 horsepower diesel inboards, hydraulic swim platform, full bridge enclosure, top board. Take a look inside. As we begin to step on board, first thing you notice is submersible swim platform, room for a tender or a jet ski. Have a grill out here on the back, shore power plug, step in, plenty of seating back here for entertaining. Start with the fly bridge first. Big spacious fly bridge, nice sunroof, nice isinglass camper all the way around, really good shape. Nice home station, two large Raymarine screens, toggle switches, Mercury vessel view, joystick controlled for the Cummins diesel and bow thruster. Great visibility, looking out front. Another sun pad in the bow of the boat. Plenty of seating up here, nice table. Also have a fridge up here. Now as we step below, step into the cabin. Notice two large glass sliding doors. Nice entertainment center, nice big TV. Seating on this side, seating on the starboard side, wrap around, L shape, nice big table. Accessible galley, 2-burner stove, fridge. Lots of natural light, lots of windows in this boat. In at this home station, same configuration as up top. Two large Raymarines, the vessel view, joystick piloted, onboard VHF, Rockford Fosgate, toggle switches. Let's take a look in below to the berth. In this berth you'll see 3 single beds. The middle can be converted to one big bed. Nice port light, natural light. Another TV. Move across. Nice head. Shower. Again, natural light everywhere in this boat. Step into the master cabin. Nice sized bed. This cabin also has a TV. And it's up. This boat was a recent trade of ours at MarineMax Huntington. If you have any questions or like to find out any more information on this boat, give us a call at the number at the bottom of the screen. Thank you.